Today, let's quickly take a look at the way that you send and request money on Revolut. Welcome back to a new video on how Genic. If you're trying to send anyone payments to Revolut or even request money on Revolut, let me show you the steps that you need to follow. Now, from the homepage of your Revolut account, in order to send or request money, tap on the transfer option that you see on the bottom of the page. Just tap on transfer. Once you tap on transfer, this new page will open up, which lets you choose from various methods. Now it's fairly simple to send payments. You can just tap on one of these options, whether it be bank receipt, card receipt, or even tap on the contact option. This way you can add in their contact details, such as the bank number if you choose the bank option, card details if you choose the card option, or even using the phone number or the email address. So just tap on these options and then follow the on-screen prompts by typing in the information. But however, in order to request payments or request money, what you need to do is tap on create payment link. Once you tap on that, you're gonna again get two options, the send money option and the request money option. To request the money, tap on the request money option and you'll need to type in the exact amount that you're trying to request. So type in the amount that you need and then tap on create link. This way a custom link for you will be created so that you can easily give this link to anyone using Revolut. And whenever they open up this link, the amount will be automatically added in. They just need to tap on confirm and the amount or the money will be immediately transferred from their Revolut account to yours. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.